Wait, today is something new from all the video I upload. So welcome back to my channel, myself you are watching UG-SEP. Today in this video I will show you my new project I have created. So before wasting time, let us start. Basically it is a multi-editor which interact with HTML, CSS, Markdown language as well as support basic operation like open, save, font, color. So let's start the demo of the project. The first feature is new, which vanishes the text written in the editor. As you saw that the text written in the editor is removed. Let's try to export in TXT and also open the TXT file. As you saw the file open. Let me move you again. Whenever a file is open, it is in reading mode. To disable the reading mode, simply press Ctrl+Shift+R or click on View and then click on Reading Mode. Let me show how to disable reading mode. Now moving to the forward step, let's try to cut the selected text. Let's try to use copy, paste, undo, redo option here. Now I will find a word. As you can see, the word has been detected. Now let's try to find again a word and just, as you can see, there are two words of same name. So I can find them by find next, find previous. Let's replace subscribe to share. As you can see, both the text of subscribe has been changed. Now let's add the current time and date here. So as you can see, as I click, the current time and date has been added in the editor. Let's move to the forward step and try to add image in the editor. Here I am opening an image. As you can see, the image has been opened. Let's try to insert a table. Here I write the number of columns and here number of rows. As you can see, the number of column and rows table has been created. I can write anything inside it. Before moving to the forward step, let's save the file, and I want to tell you that HMT has its own extension .hmt. So we will save the file as demo.hmt. Now let's try to implement list in the editor. HMT provides three types of list: number, bullet, alphabet, which contain lower Roman, upper Roman, decimal, circle, square, disk, lower and upper alphabet lists. So let's fast forward it and see how it's works. Now let's add some color in the documentation to make it more effective and looking beautiful. HMT provides you to change text color, text background color and editor background color. Let's fast forward it and see how it's works. As you saw, it worked very pretty good. Everything worked fine and good. Let's try to change the text of the color. So to change the text of the color, I need to select the text which I have to change. I selected it. Go to font. From here you can change the family of the font as well as make it italic or bold and change the size. Also you can strike it or underline the text. As you can see, the text font has been changed. Now let's try to implement alignment in it. Basically, HAM provides 4 types of alignment: left alignment, right alignment, center alignment and justify. Let's try to implement them in a fast forward mode. Let's change the margin of the document. Before moving forward, first let's save the changes. Now it's time to give you a surprise. As we know that we need to open browser to see the output of the HTML code, but HAM provides you to see the output in the same editor. For that you need to first write some HTML codes. I copy the code from internet. Now I just click on apply HTML and it will show me the correct output of the code. But HAM does not support all the HTML tags, so please read the documentation provided in the description. It is not necessary that you have to write the structure of the code. You can directly write the code. As we saw that we can see output of the HTML code, HAM also support to see markdown code output in just one click. Yeah, or you can also use inline and internal CSS in HTML code. So let's try out markdown code works in a fast forward movement. Let's use letter and word spacing as well as line and word web in the fast forward movement. Moving to the forward feature, let us know how can we hide or show status bar and toolbar and zoom in, zoom out, print as well as enable or disable reading mode. In print option, you can print the document in a PDF, Microsoft XP document writer, OneNote for Windows 10 or fax it with many more customization. So let's look at these features. Now let us see that how can we export in .html, .markdown and .pdf extension, and note it that you can open .html or .md file using open.txt option. So let us see its demo in a fast forward mode. You can move toolbar anywhere you want. Thanks for watching the video. Please download the .exe file from the description. It's my humble request. And a pro tip for you that you can use shortcut key to boost your speed. Also like the video and hit the red subscribe button to make it red, and ring the bell to get notified of new videos. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.